Today, we're gonna find out more about bread here at the Sono Bakery. Come on, let's say hello to my buddy, John. John! Hey, man, good to see you.
How are you, Anthony?
I'm great. I gotta tell you, John, it smells like heaven in here. What do you do? What do you make in here? Let's see.
Well, we make a semolina bread.
This is long.
Yes, it is. That's a long bread.
Long.
And then we have an olive bread.
This is round.
Yes, that's a round bread.
This is...
We also make a sourdough.
What does this one taste like?
It tastes like this.
It's crunchy.
Yes, it's got a nice crunchy crust. Our most popular bread is the baguette. Try to read.
It's soft.
Yeah, surprisingly soft.
Soft.
The outside is a little crisp. The inside is very soft. Hey, would you like to go and make some bread?
What do we got here?
Well, these are the basic makings of bread. This is flour, salt, yeast, vegetable oil, a little bit of honey, and of course water. All right, and then we just start by tossing from the outside to the inside until we get a soft ball formed, and then we can start kneading by hand. You ready to get your hands dirty?
Oh, yes.
Okay, there you go.
It's like Play-Doh.
It is a little bit like Play-Doh.
Only this is bread dough.
That's right.
Dough. Push, and you pull it, and you push, and you pull it inside.
There we go. This is all good.
Okay, what do we do now?
Well, because this is going to make 2 loaves, we're going to divide it. So we're just going to eye this for now. You want to do one, and I
Yes,
can do
please.
one?
Yeah.
So just pull the ends into the center, okay? And then we turn it down, and we kind of rock it back and forth to form that loaf. And that's going to go into the bottom of the pans, okay? We're going to put the loaves in seam side down, okay? And now we cover them with plastic, and then we're going to put it in a nice warm place for about 2 to 3 hours. It's going to double in size.
So, what do we do while we're waiting?
We are in a bakery.
Oh, yeah.
This is what happens when you allow the bread to rise in a nice warm place.
That is so cool.
Nice, expanded. Now they go into the oven.
Oh, yes. It's baking time. Can you smell that?
Nothing like warm bread, eh?
Oh, you weren't kidding, taking a long time. It was like waiting for Christmas.
We'll cut you a nice little piece. You can
Little?
you can sample. Well,
Little?
we'll start little. How's
No,
that?
okay, we gotta start somewhere.
You wanna-
That's so nice. This is so delicious, and it was so simple. Mix water, yeast, and oil with honey, salt, and flour, then knead it, let it rise, and bake it for an hour. And when the bread is done, it's gonna smell so yummy. So cut yourself a piece and send it to your tummy.
Have another? Well, I guess that's it. I guess I'm gonna have to sign off. Hope to see you guys soon.